Hello, welcome back to Simple Trends. Today we will learn to make a healthy simple soup. A vegetable soup which can be prepared within 15 to 20 minutes. Just as you are preparing your lunch, you can make this and serve it to children. Children who are fussy to eat vegetables will love to drink soups. Here we are not going to add any corn flour or any thickening agents, but this soup will be thick enough to serve for children. The ingredients I have taken are a few shallots. If you don't have shallots, you can go for one big onion, few cloves of garlic, one carrot, half a tomato, half a beetroot. I had a few leaves of palak lying in my fridge, so I have taken that, and 10 to 12 beans. I am going to add a few crushed peppercorns, jeera powder and salt. That's it. We are going to roughly chop all the vegetables. You need not chop them into fine pieces also. You can just roughly chop them into big chunks, and I am not going to cut the palak or onions and garlic. I am just going to add them. In a 2-liter pressure cooker, I have added a spoonful of ghee, and as it is getting heated up, I am adding the shallots, garlic and all the other vegetables. Saute it for a minute or two. Add the spices, the crushed peppercorns, jeera, salt, and add half a cup of water and cook for 3 whistles. Allow the pressure to settle down, and after the pressure settles down, you can blend it using a hand blender, or if you are going to use a mixer for this, a blender jar, you will have to first allow it to cool. If you are using a hand blender, you can blend it as it is hot also. But be careful not to add lots of water while cooking, otherwise while blending it will splatter out. After blending, you can adjust the thickness by adding another half a cup to 1 cup of water. Check for salt, and if you would like a little more of hot spices in that, you can add little more crushed pepper, or you can have it as it is. This recipe is quite easy to make and it can be had instead of having any other junk foods like chips, or again your mid morning snack can be this soup. So you can avoid having tea or coffee and have this soup. One bowl of soup will really control hunger pangs, take us on a healthy route. Do try out the recipe and share your comments and feedback. Stay tuned for more interesting and healthy recipes and subscribe to Simple Trends. Smash the like button too. Bye.